Imagine being able to take videos, pictures, listen to music, answer calls without pulling your phone out of your pocket. These are the Meta Ray-Ban Wayfarer smart glasses, and they do just that. And they actually feel like the first piece of wearables that are actually practical. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and taking it through its paces to see if it's actually something you should get and if it is worth your money and time. Welcome to the show GV Tech. I'm G Vader, and as always, let's get to it. Alright, let's open these up. Straight away, the packaging feels very Ray-Ban. Pretty clean, premium and minimal. Inside the box, you get the glasses themselves, a charging case and the usual paperwork nobody reads. And there's also a microfiber cleaning cloth, which is a good touch. Now, this charging case is actually more important than you think because these glasses basically live in there when you're not using them. And honestly, if you didn't know these were smart glasses, you'd probably just think they were regular Wayfarers. That's probably the biggest strength straight away. They don't look overly techy or awkward. You've got a camera hidden in the corner, speakers built into the arms, and touch controls on the side, so you can tap to pause music, answer calls, change volume, all without touching your phone. And the speakers are actually decent. They're not going to replace your proper headphones obviously, but for casual listening, podcasts, quick videos, they're genuinely usable. And because they're open ear, you can still hear what's going on around you, which actually makes them feel more natural to wear outside. So this is a recording in daytime and I'm working. And it's just we're in the tail end of summer, so it's not going to be too sunny out here. So all the footage you are seeing right now are shot directly from the glasses. I haven't added any extra editing to them, and in daylight they actually look pretty good. The video is sharp enough for social media, colors look decent, and because it's first person perspective, everything feels a lot more immersive. What I like most is the convenience. You don't have to stop and pull out your phone every 5 seconds to take a picture or do a video. You just press the button and capture moments instantly, or you could actually even use the AI and say, "Hey Meta, take a video," or "Hey Meta, take a picture." And honestly, this changes the experience more than I expected. But once the light drops, you definitely start to see some limitations. The footage gets noticeably softer, there's more grain, and movement can get a bit messy. It's not terrible, but you can tell these cameras really prefer good lighting. So if you're expecting flagship smartphone level night video, you'll probably be disappointed. But for quick clips, casual memories, social media stories, it is quite good. You can use voice commands to ask questions, take photos and videos, record voice notes, listen to music, post to social media, translate languages and more, all hands-free. One of the wildest features is being able to ask the glasses what you're looking at. You can literally look at something and ask, "Hey Meta, what am I looking at?" And the glasses will analyze the scene and describe it to you. Here are some examples. "Hey Meta, what am I looking at?"
You are looking at a canvas print of a scenic view, possibly from Venice, Italy.
"Hey Meta, what am I holding in my hand?"
You are holding a small figurine of Michael Jackson's iconic red jacket from the Thriller music video.
"Hey Meta, what kind of plant is this?"
The plant appears to be a small, potted bonsai tree, possibly a type of juniper or arborvitae. The plant appears to be artificial, likely made of plastic or other synthetic materials.
Your photos and videos automatically sync with the Meta View app on your phone, so everything's ready to share, even on voice command. You can also take notes just by speaking to the glasses. After using them for a while, I realized they are all about making everyday tasks quicker and more convenient, and that got me thinking about my everyday carry in general. Speaking of everyday carry, PwnCube recently sent me their Mech wallet to check out. The first thing that stood out to me is just how compact it is. It's made from aluminium, feels really solid in the hand, and the card ejection mechanism is incredibly satisfying. Just slide the wallet and your cards fan out, making it quick to grab the one you need. It is definitely much slimmer than my old leather wallet, so it takes up less space in my pocket while still carrying all my everyday essentials. Just like the Meta glasses, it's not about reinventing something we already use. It's about making everyday life a little simpler and a little more convenient. If you'd like to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description. Now, let's get back to the Meta glasses. There's still plenty more these glasses can do. You can ask Meta AI everyday questions, make and answer calls hands-free, take WhatsApp video calls from your own point of view, live stream directly from the glasses, and if you wear prescription glasses like I do, you can even have these fitted with your own lenses. There's also live language translation, which comes in handy when you're traveling. For something that looks just like a regular pair of Ray-Bans, they've been packed with a surprising number of features. Now let's talk about battery life, one of the biggest questions with any wearable. Meta says you can get around 4 hours on a full charge, and that matched my expectations with light everyday use, like taking occasional photos, listening to music, and using AI every now and then. But if you are constantly recording videos or using the AI for longer sessions, you'll drain the battery much faster. Thankfully, the charging case acts like a portable charger, so every time you put the glasses away, they are charging it up again. That makes them much easier to live with day to day. So after spending some time with the Meta Ray-Ban Wayfarers, are they actually worth buying? For me, absolutely. As someone who films a lot of quick unboxing and review videos, not having to set up a tripod or get my main camera out every time is a huge plus. I can just put these on, press a button and start recording hands-free. The only real downside for me is the battery life. Around 4 hours is fine for casual use, but if you're recording lots of videos or using the AI features regularly, you'll drain the battery pretty quickly. Thankfully, Meta has improved that to around 6 hours on the newer Wayfarers version 2. So if you enjoy taking pictures, recording video, or creating content on the go, I think these are definitely worth considering. So that's my take. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, be good.